Across global waters, few species command the same respect as the bluefin tuna, a fish long regarded as the pinnacle of sushi culture. But that prestige came with consequences. Decades of intense harvest pressure drove wild numbers downward, turning an ocean icon into a warning about how quickly marine ecosystems can unravel. In response, Japan, the nation most deeply connected to bluefin, pivoted toward a long-term strategy. Instead of depending entirely on wild fisheries, researchers and fishing cooperatives began developing methods to raise bluefin from small juveniles all the way to full market size in managed conditions. What started as a research challenge has evolved into one of the most sophisticated aquaculture systems in the world, a model built on sustainability, biological precision, and long-range resource planning. Offshore, massive circular enclosures sit anchored in deep, clear water. These floating structures create a controlled habitat where hundreds of bluefin swim, continuously mirroring their natural behavior. Every pen is engineered with depth current flow and durable mesh to match the environment tuna require to thrive. A network of cameras and sensors tracks oxygen temperature and water movement, along with subtle changes in the school's formation. Farmers rely on this real-time data to keep conditions stable and reduce stress. Within this engineered marine space, the fish grow in a system that blends natural rhythms with advanced technology, free from predators, insulated from pollution, and constantly moving to develop the lean, premium quality meat that defines bluefin. Feeding operations are among the most carefully controlled tasks on the farm. Teams deliver a diet of high-quality sardines, mackerel, and occasionally squid, chosen for their balance of fat and protein. Rations are calculated precisely to support growth while preventing excess feed from impacting water quality. Some farms go a step further. Divers enter the pens to hand-feed the tuna, watching their appetite and behavior at close range. This hands-on approach helps maintain uniform growth and low stress levels, both essential for producing the rich, marbled flesh used in top-tier sushi. Above, automated systems dispense measured portions. Below, underwater drones monitor feeding speed and leftover particles. The entire routine prioritizes consistency and quality over volume. In bluefin aquaculture, accuracy directly translates into value. Each enclosure functions like a marine research platform. Sensors detect even slight environmental shifts. If oxygen dips or currents weaken, alerts notify farmers instantly. High-resolution cameras monitor the nets for wear, ensuring predators can't enter and fish can't escape. Divers conduct regular inspections, studying the fish's movement, checking for early signs of illness, and evaluating how the school reacts to changes. Any irregular behavior triggers rapid adjustments. This synergy of digital monitoring and human expertise creates exceptional reliability, a key factor behind Japan's high survival rates and consistently premium product. When the tuna reach market weight, often between 30 and 100 kilograms, the harvest begins. Boats approach the pen and gradually tighten the net, guiding the fish into a smaller controlled area. Every motion is deliberate, minimizing impact on the tuna, as even minor injuries can affect quality. Hydraulic lifts bring each fish on board one at a time. The process is calm, structured, and handled by experienced crews. Immediately, specialists apply ikejime, a refined Japanese method that ensures a humane end and preserves ideal texture and color. This technique prevents stress locking in the deep red tones chefs look for. Once the fish leaves the water, precision and timing determine everything. In minutes, the tuna moves into a chilled processing zone. Temperature regulation is critical. The fish is cooled quickly, then expertly filleted and graded by fat, marbling firmness and color. Every cut undergoes strict inspection to meet standards for high-end sashimi, whether destined for Tokyo's elite restaurants or international luxury markets. By combining controlled farming, careful handling, and cultural expertise, these operations deliver bluefin quality that rivals the best wild-caught fish without depleting ocean populations. Japan's farmed bluefin represents a major step forward in marine stewardship. By raising tuna within a regulated closed-loop system, Japan eases the burden on wild stocks while sustaining global demand for premium sushi. The model demonstrates how innovation, traditional knowledge, and responsible management can protect one of the world's most valuable species. Bluefin aquaculture is more than an industry. It's a long-term promise, a way to preserve heritage while ensuring the ocean's most celebrated fish continues to thrive for generations to come.